Hey everyone, welcome to our roundup of the best PC games. So whether you are into action, adventure or strategy, we've got you covered with topics that you won't want to miss out. So join us as we explore the exciting titles and share what makes each one special. That's it, let's jump right in. To get us started, I would like to take your attention to Myst. For nearly 3 decades, Myst has reigned as one of the most iconic and influential point-and-click adventure games ever made. This immersive title invites players to explore a mysterious island filled with intricate puzzles and secrets, all set against a beautifully atmospheric backdrop. The latest version enhances visuals, supports VR, and includes a puzzle randomization feature, making each journey across Myst Island feel fresh and new. So whether you are a long-term fan or a newcomer, Myst's enigmatic world awaits. And now is the right time to talk about Fortnite. Fortnite has become the face of the battle royale genre, drawing millions with its unique blend of accessible gameplay, vibrant visuals, and innovative building mechanics. While the game's reliance on microtransactions may be a turn off for some, Fortnite still offers a fun and engaging experience for all skill levels. With rotating gameplay modes, creative events, and crossovers, Fortnite brings constant excitement to the battle world formula. Free to play, it's a must to try for fans of competitive and casual gaming alike. And then I would like to take your attention to Senua's Saga Hellblade 2. Senua's Saga Hellblade 2 takes players on a hauntingly beautiful journey, blending psychological exploration with action in a way few games do. As Senua, a picked warrior tormented by mental illness, you travel through an ancient, forbidding island facing both inner and outer demons. With a streamlined combat system, the game emphasizes storytelling, weaving in complex themes with its stunningly realistic visuals. Frankly speaking, Hellblade 2 is an art house experience, offering an emotional, immersive dive into Senua's battle with her psyche. Next up, I would like to take your attention to Street Fighter 6. Street Fighter returns with its most content-packed entry yet. Street Fighter 6 introduces the innovative Drive Gauge, which brings a new level of strategy and fluidity to fights, letting players unleash counters, parries, and other moves with greater ease. What's more, the game also caters to newcomers with optional simplified controls, and the World Tour mode offers an adventurous twist, allowing you to create a custom avatar and embark on martial arts journey through semi-open world settings. With its fresh mechanics and vast content, Street Fighter 6 is a must-play for any fighting game fan. And finally, I would like to talk about World of Warcraft. Blizzard's World of Warcraft has been a powerhouse in the MMORPG genre for over a decade, evolving from a groundbreaking game into a cultural icon. Its vast fantasy world filled with unique races, classes, and quests offers an unparalleled experience. What's more, regular expansions and visual updates keep World of Warcraft engaging, while its highly customizable characters allow players to create truly unique avatars. Even after all these years, World of Warcraft remains the gold standard of MMOs, captivating both new and returning players with its rich and rewarding world. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for tuning into my roundup of the best PC games. I hope you found your next favorite adventure. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this video and subscribe for more gaming content. Besides, also drop a comment to let us know which game you are most excited to try, or if I missed any of your favorites. Until next time, happy gaming. Take care. Bye-bye.